All right, flat rate mechanic here again, and today the customer came in complaining that the check engine light popped on and they got the reduced engine power message on the dash. So in this video we're going to go over what can cause that, what you can do to actually get it out of the limp mode, because once that reduced engine power message comes on the dash, it usually won't let your vehicle go over 20-25 miles an hour. So that's definitely a problem. We're going to show you how to address that. All right, so we got the reduced engine power message. I actually brought this one in. Customer is complaining of the reduced engine power. That message is going to pop up right here saying reduced engine power. She brought this in. There's no message, there's no light, everything's working fine. We pulled codes. We ended up having a P2138, which is for the accelerator pedal position sensor correlation to the electronic throttle body. So down here is going to be your accelerator pedal position sensor, which is right here's your pedal. The sensor is actually going to be, let me get some light on that so you guys can see. The sensor itself is located right up there. So here's what the accelerator pedal position sensor looks like. It comes with the whole pedal, and the sensor would be located up here, along with the price. All right, so that's actually code we're getting, but here's what you want to do if that light comes on. Let's go under the hood. So a lot of times all that is going to cause that is you got a throttle body here, and you got some throttle plates inside here that will get dirty, and if that thing sticks or jams whatsoever, it's going to cause a correlation issues. You're going to go into reduced engine power. So a lot of cases, I actually have one here already taken off. You can see this. This is your throttle plate. This is going to open and close when you step on the gas. The gas gets jammed or stuck in any way. That's going to put your car in reduced engine power. But there's a way to get it out of reduced engine power, and it's super simple. I'd say probably 90% of the times, if you're driving along and this happens, all you need to do is pull over, shut it off, take your key out, let it set for maybe about 30 seconds, put your key back in, and you're probably going to be off and running again, and you're going to be driving perfectly fine unless you have a hard electrical fault. And here's what the throttle body looks like on that vehicle, along with the cost of that as well. So as you can see, these components can be a little pricey. So if you can avoid replacing them by cleaning that throttle body, you definitely want to start there. But a lot of times, that's all it takes. So just pull over, shut the vehicle off, and restart it. And then when you get the vehicle to where you're going, you're going to want to do this. All you want to do is take like a toothbrush, clean the inside of these throttle plates out with some brake clean, carb clean, something of that nature. Hold this open, scrub it out with toothbrush. A lot of times you can even, depending on how hard it is to get these off, you can just do it right on the vehicle. So on this particular vehicle, we would just take this air intake boot off, and we clean up the inside of there real good. Good idea maybe to disconnect the battery. So in that case, it will automatically do an idle relearn. And a lot of cases, that's all you have to do. So you'll fix this with no parts, no money, just a little preventative maintenance. If it does continue to happen, then obviously you'll have to do a little further diagnostic, which I do have another video you're going to want to check out here, where we actually take apart the throttle body and show you the cause of failure in a lot of cases.